to climate change, Perth receives a lot less rain than we used to. In fact, we get 80% less inflow into our dams than we did in the 70s. Because we can't rely on inflow for our drinking water supply anymore, dams only contribute a small fraction. The rest comes from desalinated seawater, some recycled water and groundwater, which sits below the Earth's surface in porous soils and gaps between rocks. It's a precious resource because it supports our natural environment. Around 70% of all water used in Perth and Mandurah today comes from groundwater. It's a shared resource for drinking water, horticulture, industry, sports fields and household bores. With less rainfall recharging our groundwater, there's less to share around, so we all need to use it wisely. Learn more at begroundwaterwise.wa.gov.au.